guys. So we're back for part 2.
Okay, this guy did.
Now you guys got an interview.
What's up?
I got an interview.
What's up?
Okay, as you can see, I got Joe back at the mic again. Right now we just got out of church. So
Yeah.
please
Stay blessed.
introduce yourself. What is your name?
Okay.
My name is T Taki. You already know, man.
He's he is the owner of this account.
Yes, sir.
What do you do for a living, sir?
I work to pay my rent.
And where you work at, sir? What you do for a living and work?
So we work at Reader Links. What you do is you stack books, put them in boxes. You either put them in boxes or you're sending them the line.
Ooh, how much you get paid over there? Every
Not
weekly
that
or
much.
2 weeks?
Oh, we get paid every week, but it's not that much.
It's not that much. How much do you make?
Hey,
At
famous
least
boys coming.
500,
Interview. I mean, it's
at least $500
Okay.
every week.
Only
I
500.
got- So, as you can see, I don't really make any videos. As you can see, I don't really make any more videos at Leggett and Platt because I got fired from the HR over there. But that's why. We are at Reader Links right now. If you guys need a job, come to Utah. UT, you already know what the fucking vibe is. Yeah.
Yep. And right now, me and the other boys, as you can see, we work at Utility. Utility is we build
Hey, tell them who's the first worker there.
at the utility.
Yeah, tell them it's
The first worker there was Popoin. Popoin is he's a married man, but he is the man. He got me the job. He got his brother the job. My uncle Rekot, and he got Uncle Kimo. Then he got RJ, my older brother, Jabo, the second oldest, the third, J-Ro, the one and only Dr. J-Rock.
It's gonna be the next employee over there.
The next is gonna be Mr. T.
Nope, not me.
Not him. It's gonna be Kale. This guy. What is your name, sir?
Call me Rude Papi.
So they call him.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Keep it.
Okay. So, do you play any sports? What's your
Yes,
favorite?
sir.
What's your favorite sport, sir?
I like to go shower in the bathroom.
That is a good
That's
sport
your
right there.
favorite
You gotta
hobby.
learn how to clean yourself.
What? My favorite sports are basketball, volleyball, and baseball.
Woo!
Football.
What do you play as in basketball? What's your
Position. What I play is my position is I'm a center
what
and
was
a
your
shooting guard.
and the shooting guard? This guy, he's a good shooter. Kind of shoots like Klay Thompson.
He may be big, maybe small, but it's a good freaking shoot.
Okay.
Okay, so what do you like about your basketball team? Who do you consider the best PG out here in Utah? Say it right
The
now.
best. The top. Let me name the top 3. My top 3 point guards. Okay.
Top 3, yes sir.
I'll go with
Realness.
Get it.
and Carl.
If you guys don't know Carl, his name on our Royal team is Bang Bang.
That's Bang Bang. He's married.
Yeah, he's married, so please don't hit him up.
Yep.
Right here.
Yeah, those are my top 3 point guards.
Who do you? Who's your top 3 best centers out
I
there?
got top 5.
Top five centers.
One of
Here
them
in
is
Utah.
over there.
Here in Utah, I got one right here. Jabo, aka G Casio. He has a SoundCloud. If you guys want to hit him up, he's pretty famous on SoundCloud. He just dropped
And
his
he's not
song
single.
recently with Mars and T Lover. Yep.
As you guys
And
see,
he's not single.
and what is
He's not
his name,
single. He's
sir?
not ready to mingle.
Yes. What is your name, sir?
Jabo.
And what do you like to do for fun, sir?
Check out.
What do you like to do for fun, sir?
What's your favorite hobby?
Sleep? No. What's your hobby? Where you work at? Oh, so this guy.
You already told him.
Oh yeah, this guy's Jabo. He works at utilities with us. We build trailers. And okay.
You can see Memo.
And as you can see, we got Memo.
We gotta go wrap it up. Come on. Show us up to YouTube. Go interview.
It's for YouTube.
What am I here with today?
YouTube. So we got.
Subscribe, Titaki,
Yes.
Yeah.
and then dislike.
Dislike. Okay, subscribe and dislike. Okay. When I'm done. Okay. And where do you stay at, sir?
I stay at 50 Mesh and Fat Out.
Yes, and
But I'm from Noodle Beach and 50 Mesh. You already know, man.
and what is
Build up.
what part, like what city you stay in Utah?
I stay in Clinton, nigga. I stay in Clinton.
We stay in Clinton. Okay.
Yeah.
Hold up. So we got a Uber driver right here. What is your name, sir?
My name is Chuukese, you know me.
So where you from, sir?
I'm from my land.
Myland? What part?
Okay, no vaping. Hey, huh? You come pick me some I'll see.
Shout out
Hey,
to
shout out to anyone who's going to play ball. Can y'all come and pick me up? I'm Dr. Drew. I'm
Dr.
Uncle
who?
Drew.
Uncle Drew.
Uncle Drew's gonna come out.
Rayo? Oh, Rayo? Wait a minute. My best friend? What is your name?
Murad.
What? Syria? Ooh. Purple white. Yeah. If you have husband?
No.
No husband. Ah! She said no husband. She has no husband. I'll see. Who? Hit up RG2. What the hell, Ronis? Okay, as you can see, we're gonna roll out and hopefully we drive safe back home and we will see each other at the park again.
As we drive, I don't want you to leave, cause I don't want your beef. And if you can see, there's the singer in the back. You can take it in the back. Drops it, play English song.
We see them at the park.
Ready?
I gotta do that.
Peace out, everybody. See you guys at the park.
Peace out.
Gotta do it. Let me do it.
No, we're gonna say pour first.
I got you.
Just put your hand on it.
Alrighty, I'll see you guys at the park again. We see you. Thank you for watching our interview, and we'll see you there. Let's go. Wow!